Good morning guys. Today I'm gonna cook seafood bowl. Okay, so these are all the ingredients. We need salt, black pepper, and then Cajun seasoning, and then sausages, corn, and then shrimp, and then mussels or ano sa sa Bisaya? Mussels or anya dayon crabs, and then garlic, onions, butter, spring onions, and then there's a lot of garlics and ginger over there, and the chilies also needs to be put, all of this, and then potatoes also. Okay, I partially cooked the potatoes. Okay, I forgot to get water. Okay, to start. Okay, butter. You need water also, but I forgot. I will get it later. I'm going to get it later. Okay, the water. Okay, so take the garlic. The onions. Onions. That one, the white one, okay? Okay, and then next, okay guys, so we're gonna boil that one first, and then before we add some of the ingredients. Okay. Okay guys, so we're gonna add the sausages. This one. And then this one also, the crabs. This one. There's a look at that garlic. Okay. Oh. The corn. I think we need to add water. It will be cooked. And then we're gonna add the seasoning also. Oh, we add the seasoning, guys. All. We're gonna cover, okay, and we'll be right back. Oh, look at guys, oh. The sausages, oh, it's super yummy. Okay, and now we're gonna add the shrimp. And then this one. And then cover again, and we'll be right back. Okay. Well, it's done. Okay, so we're gonna transfer here to this big container. Okay. So I'm gonna put the shrimp first because the shrimp is very small. We're gonna put this shrimp on top after we transfer the seafood in the basin. Oh, the sausages. It's yummy, okay? Oh, the crabs. Okay. Uy. Guys, the sausages, guys. sausage. Okay. Okay guys, look at the sausages. Okay. The crabs. And then the mussels. Potatoes. And then, get this crab. Okay. And then the shrimp, guys. Okay, guys. Look at that one. It's super yummy, guys. But I need to taste. But I want to taste the sausages. There's at the bottom. Okay, so now I'm going to taste, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna taste the sausage. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna put in my hands. It's super yummy, guys. Virginia sausages is very yummy because we boil it. Potato. Guys. Okay, guys, so it's yummy. So that's our seafood boil, guys. It's super yummy. Okay guys, thank you for watching and see you tomorrow for another recipe. Bye bye. So that's our seafood boil. It's super yummy.